Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg using a kettle. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a few eggs, a kettle, a heat-proof bowl, and some cold water. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps prevent cracking. Gently place your desired number of eggs into the heat-proof bowl, ensuring they are not overcrowded. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly boiled eggs. Now, let's get that water boiling. Fill your electric kettle with fresh water, making sure there's enough to fully submerge the eggs once poured. Bring the water to a full, rolling boil. Wait until the kettle automatically switches off. This ensures the water is at its hottest. With caution, slowly pour the freshly boiled water over the eggs in your heat-proof bowl, ensuring they are completely covered. Safety first when handling hot water. Once the eggs are covered with hot water, it's time to let them cook. Place a lid or plate over the bowl to retain the heat. The cooking time depends on your desired doneness. For a soft-boiled egg with a runny yolk, wait approximately 4 to 5 minutes. If you prefer a medium-boiled egg, allow 7 to 8 minutes. For a firm, hard-boiled egg, let them sit for 10 to 12 minutes. Timing is key for perfect results. After the desired cooking time, it's crucial to stop the cooking process. Carefully remove the eggs from the hot water and immediately place them into an ice bath. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. This helps prevent a green ring around the yolk. Once cooled, gently tap the egg on a hard surface and roll it to crack the shell all over. Peel the egg under cold, running water for the easiest shell removal. Enjoy your perfectly boiled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.